Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see WWE 2K24 best low-end PC graphics settings. I show you guys how to do it. In starting of the game, just need to go to options and go to extras and go to graphics settings. Texture quality set to standard. Window mode no. VSync no. Action camera FPS 30. Improve stability during replays and cutscenes. Shadow off. Shadow quality set to low. Anti-analyze set to FXWA. Lightweight and smooth. Reflections set to low or off. Dynamic upscaling set to AMD FSR 1 or off. Off value is not available, so set it to AMD FSR 1. And sharpness set to 3. 3 to 4 is best for low-end systems. Depth of fields set to off. Motion blur off makes gameplay clear and smoother. Audience density set to 0 to 20. Multi superstar performance mode set to on. Helps when 4 to 6 characters are in the ring. And then press the spacebar to save it. Go back to graphic settings, make sure everything is saved. Then just close stuff here and open up File Explorer and go to Documents and open the WWE 2K24 and right click on the config and select Edit in Notepad. I have the settings to change. Here it is. Make it left. On right side the config.ini. This is the game Notepad settings. Change all these settings to these values. Anti-analyzing off. Sharpen 1. Time game update on upscaling FSR1. VSync of audience density set to 0. Depth of field of fast action cams off. Motion blur off. Reflections of shaders off. Shadow set to 0. Shadows off. Texture quality off. Width and height change to these values. After changing these settings, select the file and select save option. And now you can launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game on your low-end PC. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.